Welcome. If you want to stay up to date with the latest games, experiences, and trends on Roblox, enabling content recommendations notifications on your mobile device is the way to go. In this guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you never miss out on what's new and exciting. First, grab your phone and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is labeled as More. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, a menu will appear with several options. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where you can customize your Roblox experience and manage your preferences. Inside the Settings menu, find and tap on Notifications. This section lets you control which alerts you receive from Roblox, so you're always in the loop about what matters most to you. Next, tap on Mobile Push Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of different types of notifications you can enable or disable. Look for the option called Content Recommendations. This feature is designed to send you personalized suggestions for games and experiences that match your interests. To turn on content recommendations, simply toggle the switch next to this option. When the switch turns green, you're all set. Roblox will now send you notifications about new games and experiences that you might enjoy, right to your mobile device. If you ever want to adjust your notification settings in the future, just repeat these steps and toggle any options on or off as you like. Keeping your notifications tailored ensures you only get updates that are relevant to you. And that's it. You've successfully enabled content recommendations, notifications on Roblox Mobile. Now you'll always be among the first to discover new adventures and trending experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy exploring everything Roblox has to offer.